about this game?
Mike is observing me. Alright, Brad. Who plays this game? The fuck?
Oh my gosh, it's gonna take me a second to get used to the controls again.
Same.
Bro, he read that shit.
When's the last time we played this?
Played with him not too long ago.
By the way, if we die early, we should go for a long.
I forget what the freaking like craft is. Shift. What's R? Okay.
Oh yeah, the goal is to do it as fast as possible. I feel like we should do the first boss fight as fast as possible.
Ooh.
I think.
Offer your blood, Dylan. Wouldn't it? I know. Yeah. Oh yeah. Offer it. Offer your blood. Dylan dies.
93. I gotta go.
Bye, Mitt.
I almost just died because I.
Why am I getting targeted by both of them?
Wow. Oh.
I'm such a pro at this game. I'm gonna jump, guys.
Bro, I'm getting all movement speed.
Bro, that's my favorite shit.
Yeah, but I'm the artificial. Another one.
And use it to
Need
the,
it who?
Another one.
all the loot boxes.
What is this?
Another one. Dude, where are the enemies at?
Gain access to a rusty lockbox.
Find
Oh,
that
you have to, yeah, you have to find that before this round
I
is
think it's
over.
on this map.
Oh yeah.
I think we can take it over actually. Find it.
That's good stuff, usually.
There's hella.
I'm gonna go down that way.
Terrible. Oh, there's a golem there. Nibba.
Yeah.
Got it.
Bang if I
Anyone
should eat
find the
this
boss thing
Pop
yet?
Tart or not.
I got sent to me. I'll wait left.
Found the teleporter.
There are no boxes down here.
Give me a second.
Nah, hit that stuff down right now.
No, I'm not over there yet. And there's a box I want to grab.
Do it, done. I have an idea where that that rusty loot box is at.
I keep fucking missing.
Let's see if I'm right.
Gain an extra jump. Okay, I'm looking at the moves we got right now.
Let's say after healing shrine.
I'm sure there's one point where I had like 10 jumps.
Yeah.
Huh.
Dude, you should start playing this game.
I'm hitting it.
Hold on, don't. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me 2 seconds.
Alright, go ahead, hit it.
One. No. One. No. 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 Okay, now hit it.
Just not going over them?
Oh no.
Mitt, why are you down there?
I'm being attacked.
Dylan's gonna die up here.
I'm coming. Wait, it's all the way over there? I
Yeah.
didn't realize that. I thought it was over here. That's not okay.
Dylan, don't die.
Dylan, be careful.
This is awesome.
It's awesome. I think I did. Oh, watch out. I'm falling
Kill
off.
it. And
Got it.
I was just going.
what is it? Yeah, I know.
Dylan got the Genesis loop for that dude.
There's like fires and electric.
That's fucking sweet. Do you have any food items?
So you got any food items?
Like unlock it. Cause there's one that makes your health like really good. There's also one
I need to change my audio. Okay, protect me. Okay. Might be a little too quiet now, but it's whatever.
Did you guys ever find that chest?
No.
I did not. I don't know. Actually, yeah, we can see.
Oh, there's a box over here I want. I mean, don't take it.
No, I saw this box.
You have more stuff than me. You
Oh,
have
really?
2 more stuff than me.
Whatever, dude. Take it.
Also, there's a lunar coin pod down there if you want to admit.
I do want it. Where's it at?
It's on. You have to jump off this ledge for it, though. Like, not
I'll
even
fucking
kidding.
do it, bruh. I'm double jump.
No, but you won't be able to get back up.
I mean, it respawns you back up. It doesn't.
Yeah, yeah, I know. I'm just saying double jump won't help you.
We're at Vito.
It's down there.
360. What? It didn't let me land on it.
You hit it?
Yeah. Watch. I'll even. I'm going in slow, Brody. I'm on it. Oh! No! Whatever, dude. I can't even interact with it anyways. Fuck that dumb shit.
Oh, I made it.
Alright, can I want an item. An item.
Why can't I interact with this? Didn't I have any lunar coins? Okay,
Oh
Dylan,
yeah, if you
teleport.
max out the... Wait, don't do it, don't do it. Brody, have you maxed out one of the health things?
The health
This?
things.
The Shrine of the Woods or whatever.
No, I haven't maxed out any of those.
If you do that, you unlock an item. It's like a...
Is it only in a health item though?
It's a really good health item though. It's like a totem that like stays by you and heals you.
Okay. Well, there's that one, and there's also one other one.
That's
And I think
scripted
you can
flight.
get in this run.
It's going to. I have to go over here.
Has anyone found a fucking
Embrace the healing warmth of the woods.
you gotta keep spamming it until
That
it's
sounds
full.
nice, honestly. Wish we lived in this world, am I right?
Dylan, where'd you find the shrine? Can I hit that shit?
There's one in the
I
middle.
already used it all.
God damn it.
Do you not see the one in the
Dylan's
middle?
stacked, bro. He has all these items.
I feel like I didn't even get that much.
But you have the golden item.
Bro, move it.
That shit's OP.
What is this thing? Oh, it's gone. It was that. No, it wasn't combat. It was the health. Well, it was the health stealer. There's one in the middle where you went first when you thought that was where we were supposed to go.
I don't see it.
Why are there flying birds? Usually if I saw that wooden box, it'd be over here. Or a rusty box. It would be over here. But it is not.
Oh fuck.
So sad.
That's it.
I don't remember this part being up here ever.
This dude's sus, though.
You should probably just teleport. Can't find anything.
Ooh, that's a lot of damage. Aha.
That's a lot of damage.
Wow.
Yeah, this dude's super sus, right?
I got nothing from maxing it out.
Damn. Maybe you got bamboozled.
Okay, well, we probably should hit it if we're supposed to be doing this on time.
Yeah, I don't know why it worked. We've been in here for a while as well.
Probably because those two broke to max it out. Okay, I'm gonna go hit it. Unless you guys get before me. Get there before me.
What?
I like how everything you get just gets attached to your body. There's just 3 syringes just hanging outside of my leg.
Oh, I found a chest.
Okay, man, you better hit it.
Hey. I did.
War banner. Warhammer. Okay, I'm hitting it.
Wait, can I talking shit?
Okay, I'm hit it. And we're gone.
God damn.
I think it's the snow one. It's gonna be the snow one.
Hope
Desert.
so.
It's a desert. It was neither. Gosh dang.
Oh shit.
Like 3 days ago.
What? Nice and sucky.
I forgot about them, but they're not bad. They're not even stale.
You forgot some chips, Cement?
Excuse me.
You're excused.
Alright, Giga.
Hey, Mint.
This is mine, Brody.
You can have that, I
I'm
don't care.
claiming.
I wanted this one regardless, because this is going to have the thingy in it. Boom! What is this? Heal over time actively sends to allies. No, what?
What is that second touch?
I don't know.
I got a healing item. That's my freaking
Ooh.
alt.
Can I have these? I'm taking these glasses on rotisserie. It's not even fucking. Not even rotating.
What was that second touch?
What are you talking about, Emmett?
It shows you like 3 items sometimes.
Oh.
Like 3
Is
items.
it almost like a rotisserie chicken?
Yeah, I
he's
know,
a
I know.
rotisserie.
Hopefully it's not this one over by me that I'm grabbing.
Nope. It's the one I'm by. Just taking the glasses.
Down picked up a lunar coin.
Building crit.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's 'cause it's taking all
Question
the
mark,
fucking
question
juice.
mark, and question mark. Actually, there's the turtle.
I don't know.
Always one.
Yeah.
Why did that just fall?
Freaking fungus. Bustling fungus.
Oh. Okay. Tina
You
might
see
be
any
up for it.
shrines of combat?
Ooh, I can fly now.
Left.
Was that your the wings?
Yes, sir.
Holy shit.
Ooh, there can be jump spots on this map I gotta get to. Where like hidden chests are.
Oh.
And if I was the engineer, then this fungus would be very nice. I would choose this one. Fungus again! Holy crap! If only I was the engineer. Done. You led me
Dude,
astray.
I found the teleporter, by the way.
What about a shrine of combat? That's what we really need to make.
We do need to find one of those. If
Found.
you find one, just hit it. Don't
Wait,
even-
what?
I think I don't. No, that's just a normal shrine. It's not even a shrine of combat. Boom! Hey! Yes, I got a feather.
Nice. Feathers are. I need some chests. That's what I
I
need.
need to find one of those things where it takes out some of your items, but gives you like a lot of the
Wow.
ones it doesn't take out.
What? What the fuck?
Oh, yeah.
Why was it jumping down here for this shrine?
Taking crit. Oh,
It's
no,
not
that's the
combat.
What does the spear thing do again?
I don't know. Look
I
at
like
it.
her so ugly.
Fireworks, hell yes.
Look at
Oh
that
yeah.
shit.
Look at that. Look at that luck.
Chrono Bobble.
Look at that normal shrine.
That's mine, bitch.
Ooh, get out of here.
Another one. Another one.
I knew something that was gonna last this time.
Found hella chest.
Let me go look back. What is slow enemies on hit? Dude, I'm telling you, all this my setup right now is perfect for the engineer.
What is
That's
this
how I'm
shield?
feeling, honestly. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Hella enemies just spawn behind me.
They want your blood in it.
They do.
So your setup's perfect for the character that you're not using.
So how's Monster Hunter?
Yeah.
I defeated
Nice.
this dude.
If only would have been like, hey Dylan. I mean, if you were like, hey Brody, you should be the engineer. Ha! I found a freaking
Volcanic egg?
donate to Newt Alter.
Okay, I'm coming back to this. Please, no one take this.
I got it.
I'm gonna use the jade elephant to fly around,
I just got
but
it.
I'm gonna come back with a volcanic egg.
Oh, what a hit.
I'm about to use this. I forget what it does, but I'm gonna use it.
That shit doesn't despawn on this game.
Boom. I think we're gonna have the teleport after this.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do the teleport.
I'm zero.
Oh, a blue orb.
Yeah, would have been good to know.
Wait a minute.
Hey, okay, that hurt. Crowbar.
I got it. He read that? That was sus.
Where even is it? Oh, it's all the way over there.
Somebody here?
No.
Give me a second, boys.
You know what? These are nuts for 1400s. I got it.
Yeah, I have no boost.
Oh, I didn't know I was gonna do it. Speed. Straight missing. Right?
I'm trucking.
It's fine.
Hi.
Yeah.
Alright,
one
boys,
straight
give me a
down.
second. I'm gonna hit these chests.
Safe.
I think I'm ready to face the big boy.
Wait 2 seconds. Did anyone find a shrine? Thing?
No. A combat shrine? No, I never found one.
Alright, boys. Let's run that shit.
Hold on, I found a box. Hold on, give me a second. No, give me a second. Give me a second. Boom. I found shrooms again. Holy crap. I have 3 things of shrooms. Perfect for the engineer, not for my guy. Completely worthless.
You playing the regular guy, right?
Yeah, commando.
Oh shit. He can't.
Please be. Yes, yes. I'll take the shrooms out and give me this. Whatever this is, I forget. Chance to bleed enemies on hit. Perfect. Okay, well I'm ready when you guys are. Now. 2 seconds a minute. Okay. Okay. Ooh, I found a. I'm pretty sure that's open. So sad. Is it? Yeah, it's open.
God damn.
There's
By
a
the teleport.
couple security drones I was looking
Why
for.
would you get that boost?
Brody out here hogging that item.
What?
See,
I mean, that's more than me. What?
Nah.
Because I'm a good
Oh, I
scout.
missed it. Oh, what?
Okay.
Honestly, no, give me a second.
Hitting the ball just
I
flipped
just
my
remembered something.
car completely around.
No, we're gonna be on the 3rd one. It's gonna be very hard. It's gonna be the freaking lava pit.
I know, but I just need 2 seconds.
No one ever picks up the drone, so that's what I usually pick up.
Pretty sure.
I got that drone gang. You know I always got that drone on me.
Me too.
that was confusing.
Ooh.
Dude, I'm so confused. Where is it? Dude, where is it?
Oh, it's open. Oh,
I went for it again.
Okay, you guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
No,
Wow.
no, 2 seconds.
Oh, how do you hit it so hard?
I don't know.
I literally just found it. What? Oh wait, go ahead and start it. God
Okay. Well, I guess it's just gonna be me facing them until
Okay.
Dylan gets over here. I see you, Amit, but Dylan's not over here.
I'm like right here.
Okay, well here we go.
Beetle toes.
I forget, what does this hoe do that hurts?
Nothing.
everything.
I think
Why
the
do you ever
teapot
do
is the
fast
hardest.
kickoffs?
There's 2 of them.
Why do you ever do fast kickoffs? What's wrong with normal kickoffs?
Oh yeah, it's these.
I just
Yeah, these hoes do suck. Easy, easy, easy.
Oh,
sucks.
okay. Wait.
That was
This is
there.
Second up.
Ooh, banjos. Done.
Damn, this is pretty. I think this is new. Look at this, guys. Everyone stop shooting. Don't worry
Oh
about
wow. Let's admire
the end. It's
this.
just so nice.
Oh, you just broke.
Oh,
our
there's
teammate's
flowers
neck.
around them now?
Yeah.
What would you say those look like, Dylan?
Flowers.
Yeah, besides flowers.
Encyclopedia of flowers.
Flowers.
It is
Flowers.
purple flower.
There's two people dead who still go.
They're actually purple mambas that grow up in the South Pacific Ocean.
Too soon, Birdie. Too soon.
Yeah, I was about to get them moving.
Yeah, that was gonna get a goal anyway.
Do you want to go?
Yes.
Very hard.
It doesn't. Time doesn't happen.
Goodbye, guys. I'm out.
Time does not exist in this realm.
Aha.
Ah,
Now we can see if you have any blue coins, which I do not.
you don't have any.
But you can gamble and get shit.
That
What
hurt.
is this?
Did you fall off?
One
Yes,
of
I
you wanna
did.
do this?
I didn't let me use my shifts. How many coins do you have to? Oh, apparently I already have the person freed. Apparently.
Birdie.
What?
What is this?
Why does this thing have a health bar now?
Oh, these are the worlds. If you can enter.
Zoelda?
Yeah, Zoe. One of you won't do this. You won't. You won't. You
No,
won't.
no, no. Is that the
Do it.
freaking? I definitely don't want that.
What is
Do it.
that?
Heck
Where's
no.
our teammate?
It's good.
No, I hate that.
Dylan, it would be good for you.
One got mid.
What does
What?
it
Don't you know what it does?
Gives you big penis.
do?
I've never seen any of these items before, and I have no idea what they do.
They added a bunch of new shit. Shoot
Is
this
there,
guy. Kill him.
is there even a way
Kill
of
him.
knowing what these are?
He'll get mad and kick us out. Actually.
Damn it.
Go. We gotta go.
Which one?
Yeah, it's always up. Is he
Okay, 1 through 3 done.
I mean, what does this do?
One
What
through
does
three
training
done.
do?
1 through 3.
3.
No. Wait. Don't buy that.
Why?
Buy this one.
Why
He's
that
already
one?
up. What?
I'm pretty sure that makes your health like half.
Why would that
Pretty
make?
sure this is better.
Oh my god, he's so bad.
Do it. Buy that.
Fine,
Buy that
let's
one.
see what this does.
What's he doing?
Seem to do nothing, but like what? Beads of fealty. It's it. It just literally just says they seem to do nothing of it.
Did you just get them? You just do them dirty?
No, I didn't know that was gonna happen.
It says seems to
know
do
it's better than
nothing.
these.
Dot dot dot, and then in red letters, but dot dot dot.
It must do
I think.
something.
Look it up.
I don't freaking know. Don't look it up.
Hey, fucking.
There you go. I'm sending my buddy to you, Don.
He said,
Come back, my dude. I can't recall him until the seconds are up. Why are you just teleporting back to
How
that?
did you hit that?
says
don't know.
when the player enters the celestial portal to enter a
Alright.
moment,
Are you buying that or
A what?
or
you
looking
have
it
to
up?
obliterate yourself at the obelisk.
Yeah, to unlock the sword character or something. What are you doing over here, Don?
That's what my thing is. The beads.
Here, you read it. It's kind of confusing. What the heck?
Upon picking it up, offers no additional attributes to the player beyond giving them an extra item. However, when the player enters the celestial portal to enter a moment fractured and obliterates himself at the obelisk, they will be transported to a moment
Obelisk.
hole. instead of ending the run. The secret area contains one of the 4 twisted scavengers, each of which have their own preset
Bro.
list of items and equipment, unlike regular scavengers. How do I...
That's how you unlock a new character.
Yeah, well, it's a structure, that's fine. I'm just gonna be weird to get this support which spawn every 3 levels.
It's not even hitting. You okay, Jordan?
Yeah, I'm happy.
I've never seen this thing in my life. It's
Bro!
like 2 slabs of monoliths. I could buy another one of these.
I'll tell you which one to buy.
Yeah, like that got me a lot of good stuff last time.
Okay, buy this one. Buy the one you're gonna buy before, just see what happens.
It's in there, son.
Get a massive boost of all stats, chance to gain affliction that reduces all stats. What happened?
Wow.
So did I get a boost on all stats, or I did all of them decrease?
I don't like it when eyeballs, dude.
Man, that sucks. Oh my gosh, no, I see it's a Q item. There's a Q item right there then. Dylan, do you have a Q item?
What the hell is that?
Dylan.
That mode.
Yeah. I just-
Well, there's one right there if you'd rather have that one.
What is it?
It's about,
I'll be
it
right
heals you, and you can heal your teammates as well. Gnarled Wood Spirit. What's Jade Elephant do?
It says gain massive armor for 5 seconds.
That one's a complete passive for you. So you just heal a lot more, and then you can also heal your friends. Okay, Amit. Don't you should have done this, dude. That'd been hilarious.
Nah.
You know what it is right now, right?
No.
I'm pretty sure it's the one where it takes like all of your crap and then changes it. Remember like that one time we did like 20 of like feathers or something like that? When I had 20 feathers,
20 or
I just
no,
skipped
it's
across the
changes.
entire thing. Yeah, it just takes away all the rest of the stuff basically.
I would do that if I could choose.
Yeah, if you could choose, but dude, I'm scared for this Q item, dude. To use it,
What is it?
gain a massive boost to all stats. Chance to gain an affliction that reduces all stats. So it could be buffed a lot, or freaking I could slightly be reduced. Amit,
What's up, dude?
you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. It says every couple of rounds you can find this monolith. So you find 2 looking weird slabs. They look like towers. Right?
Oh, I missed.
Tell me about them. It would have looked a lot better in the adventures if that's what would have happened to the people instead of them like going to dust. Become blue and blow up.
I think after 1 month, I'm gonna hop back on Monster Hunter.
Oh, what? I thought I picked up my other Q item.
Nope, I
feel
guess
like
you
there's
have
people on this game.
That
Spirit.
sucks.
Wood Spirit.
I mean, it's
Jade
not-
Elephant is a cool name, but I don't know. This one's like a POW. I want to test my Q item right now. Let's see. Let's roll this D20. Oh my gosh.
Did you get the buff? I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, if we get one of those Titanic hearts, it's that gives you like the minions or. I think it also now gives you health.
Jordan.
Dude, that was sick. What a sick item. Oh, it's a combat.
Okay.
Oh, never mind. It's Shrine of Blood. Yeesh. Hey, Dylan.
What?
I'm gonna use this, then you should put that thingy on me.
What are you using?
I'm gonna use this blood thing, and then you should put the healer on me.
Okay, I did it.
Yeah, nothing. Oof, that hurts. I need to sit still, but, you know, sitting still can also lead to death. Come on, fungus. Oh, there's a Gatling gunner down there.
Please, sir, relax.
I hate those so much. Ah, I killed it.
Fuck that shrine, dude.
I have 2 rusted keys now.
Don't live your life.
They're hard things to find.
I don't want them.
You're stuck with them.
I agree with him.
Yeet.
Okay, I have 3.
Heck yeah, Dylan. Woo! Chance to
Real
block.
quick.
What's in this chest?
Dylan, there's a freaking ocular HUD down here if you want it. It's like the missile one.
I got a pretty good one just now.
Are you not keeping the one I gave you, Dylan?
I'm glad
I'm
I
just
didn't
gonna
know
leave the
that.
spirit, and I probably should go back to his homeland. Whatever that may be. Ooh, another syringe. There's a Gatling gunner near me. Oh my gosh, this buff down is nothing. Like, there's nothing beyond. I don't know what to say, honestly. It's just amazing, Dylan.
Oh, another ukulele.
I run so fast, and I outgun the Gatling gunner.
Found the teleporter.
Probably should do it before it hits insane. Get out of here. Man, I wish I could have that
Oh, and I
buff
found
the
an-
entire
I
time.
found the rusty lockbox, and apparently I could open it.
What did it have in it?
A monster tooth.
Ah,
Yes.
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 My luck does not exist.
I don't think it exists.
Hey, war banner.
Yeah, if you're playing fucking engineer, it'd be perfect.
That would be. Great job, Doc.
Yeah, great job, Dylan. Picking up characters. What is this comp? How many items y'all got? Y'all ball.
I'm not balling.
Item check.
Oh my gosh, you another Gatling gunner?
Ow.
It's okay, he's dead.
Oh, we got bundle fireworks. That shit's lit.
Yeet, 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 yeet. Oh, can we get more syringes? It just adds to my buff.
Deal bonus damage to nearby enemies. That's new. Never seen that.
That's nifty.
That's nifty.
I agree. Dude, my shield looks cool.
Come on, come on, come on. I think they might have debuffed the freaking
We need to find the
Gatling
teleporter.
gunner. Don already found it, didn't you, Don?
We don't do a lot of damage.
Yeah.
Like, do you guys do a lot of damage?
Depends.
Not
Depends how my
really.
stats go. If they get
That's what I'm
increased or
saying,
not.
I'm not doing a lot of damage.
I feel like the next time I'm gonna do it is gonna be I just want to get yoted. Then where's it at? Dude, I hope it's near my war banner, cause if so, and I get my buff, I bet you I could solo it, honestly.
It's over here.
Oh, it's not nowhere near it, Dylan. I'm supposed to die.
Yeah, 'cause I used a thing. I'm a ballsy motherfucker.
All of them spawned on me once again. They sense my power.
Ammo? Oh, primordial cube, hell yeah.
Oh, that's so epic. What? Hold on. What is your E done or Q? Don't where's it at? Oh, I see it. Okay, Dylan, are you ready for this? I'm gonna do it, Dylan.
Yeah.
I'm not making it done. No! I'll teleport up there though. Ah, I didn't take the damage because of my teddy bear. Amit, you ready? We're about to do it. We're on the edge of insanity. I'm hitting it. I'm gonna hit it, Amit. Gonna deny it. Okay, let's go, Dylan.
You guys are fake. Why would you do that? We both die and I get to take all lives. Caesar, I don't even know what you speak, bro. Why you speak to me? Okay. Why you speak to me?
Oh no, no, stay up, stay up.
Dying here.
The teapots are too OP.
Oh no. Almost just took me out.
We're so close to killing that one. Hey, it's gone. I didn't even realize how close I was to freaking dying.
Wow, Brody, imagine dying.
I can't
Dylan,
imagine.
you ready to fuck him up?
Yeah. Let's get
Get
him.
it then. I'm going around him, Getting a tactical position, moving away. We gotta back up, Don't let him pull you.
What was that?
No, I'm getting fucking fucked up. I am getting fucked up.
You guys are so close. And there you go. Nice, nice, nice. It's gonna be something I really wanted. No, it's not. Okay, I'll live.
Just gave us like all legendary items.
I would've been upset.
Dylan, this is terrifying.
This is so many.
I think we need to buy as many healing. I think we should buy as many drones as possible before we leave this level. Because at this point, we just need to get strong.
As many drones.
Yeah, because drones are really helpful, like healing drones and shit. Because I have no healing items.
Alright, let's go find some.
We have to. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh shit! God damn.
So don't join that club and make one, and I'll see you guys both in Miami.
Why in Miami? Do you have like a tournament?
Yeah, there's a tournament there. I think it'd just be really cool if all of us did that. Oh, you have the. Yeah, I see. You have the Surge, Dylan. Whatever it's called.
I'm not gonna make that. Oh. Maybe.
I'm watching this. Try teleporting up there. Like you'll probably just
I
clip
am.
up the wall. Yeah.
Dude, my Warhammer areas.
Unopened chest.
Dylan's my chest. I had.
What?
You guys should hit the teleporter. Oh, you have the big boy. The only thing you can make the jump done.
What jump?
Go up there, right, and see if you can't jump to the other side. I almost was able to do it.
Oh wait, I found some chests.
To the teleporter.
Over to here?
Yeah, to the teleporter,
Oh,
jump.
yeah, I can make that.
You can?
No!
Okay, then you should hit the teleporter.
Are you ready, Amit?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Yeah.
I hope all my drones come with me. I have our drone. hope all my drones didn't die with me.
We're gonna lose.
That's not the spirit of it.
The spirit.
If we die right here, we should play again, but so I can be the engineer.
I'm definitely gonna
We're
play.
probably about to die.
Wait, it's on the item underneath the thing right here.
The expensive one.
Yes.
And it's Bushi over here.
I want it. Alright boys, we gotta go in right now. Ooh, Dylan, can I have this slug? You want that?
Go ahead.
Dude, their location. 690. What is this? Brody, come here. I've never seen this before.
I just took massive damage. I just was unaffected by it because of my block. Give me a second. I think I was just hitting the freaking thing to the wall.
I almost just died already.
Almost died. Almost died. Instantly kill low health elite monsters. I found the Shrine of Combat finally.
I'm
Nah.
dead. I don't know what just killed me.
Imagine dying.
You just found the teleporter. You probably died by the big robot over there, Don.
Yes, I have so much movement. Caesar, no one's even talking to you right now. You smell. That's all I have to say. You smell and you have fucking lines on your forehead. Lines on your forehead.
Ooh. Get out of here.
Oh
Hate
my
those
god, there's a fucking...
things. I have an idea what the
Fire.
hell is going to be if it's not up here.
You smell like tamales. What?
It's not up here.
Okay, bud. I ate tamales because you
Nope.
forced them in my mouth.
Oh, I was able to open it. Look at that. And when the world needed his most, he vanished. Let's see. Where do I need to go? It's not over here.
What is this? Oh, it's Dylan's dead body. I'm like dead ass. I just found it.
I found the freaking
Do not.
rock things.
Might as well just grind on this level. 'Cause it just keeps going after this.
Ooh, big chest. Big chest, big money.
Why did I just get shot?
Hey, another feather. What is that?
Unknown. Unknown.
Yeah, another feather. Oh, it's a health item crate. Boom, look at that. It's a rock. Okay.
Ooh, a flashbang. What does this do again?
Ah, I found a flashbang as well.
No, I found a trade for a flashbang. Chance of stun on hit.
Ah. I always get my banners when I'm not in the area I need them.
Dude, I'm about to die.
That's so sad. Once again, I am asking for your financial support.
Who's financial support?
Yours.
Yeah, Brody needs financial aid.
Yeah, if I'm going to win this election. Don't do it, Amit. Don't do it, Amit. Oh my gosh, you
Wait,
did
what?
it.
I'm sorry. Did you want that?
No, I was joking. I just saw you all the way over there. Just like,
Hit chest. I'm gonna hit a couple more chests and then I'm gonna save up. I'm hitting this last one and then I'm gonna save the
save up for what?
The super expensive.
The 3,500 one?
It's 5,000. Dude, I do no damage.
Not if I hit that teleporter first, Amit, and we die. I know where it's at.
Do the teleporter first if you want. We just
Yeah.
have to wait afterwards.
Let's do it. Okay.
We
What
should
is
kill
this?
all
Why
the
is there a gap in my health now? What did I pick up?
I just did so much damage.
What? I have no idea what even does this. Ah, no, there's a whip.
Bro, anything you can press the I'm coming.
Oh no, there's one of those boys back here. There's a book. Chance to kill, unkill to drop a treasure. Dang, this thing is light work.
I'm taking a lot of damage right now. You about to die, bro? Oh no, you're healthy.
No, I'm good.
We're gonna get that OP item.
I was even.
Protect me, bro. Are there healing drones in here?
I have no idea. No, I want this big boy. I'm far off from it. It doesn't matter. The teleport should
can
be in
buy
here. If
that.
it's not in here, then I have no idea where it's at. It's a chandelier.
It's golden. Why is it golden?
I think it might be the thing I have. Yeah, no, it's not. That's just an orb. That's so sad.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, because
God.
I have a chance to
I
drop
died.
things.
I
Oh, I
died.
found the teleporter. That's fine. I'll survive only because of your portal, your cube.
Apple fritter. It's an apple fritter donut.
What? Ooh. Watch this emit. They don't call me the pro for no reason, emit. Woo! No! No, I don't want to die by that! And I died. Anything but that, and I died to that. That's so sad. Okay.